PLTR stock news. Palantir's Q3 earnings report results are insane. Hey there fellow investors and tech enthusiasts, welcome back to another exciting episode of our YouTube channel. In today's video, our focus will be on Palantir Technologies stock. We'll be examining 3 articles. The first one, titled Palantir Surges as Guidance Surpasses Estimates, Potential S&P 500 Inclusion on the Horizon, discusses the company's recent performance. Following that, we'll delve into another article titled Palantir Q3 Earnings and Potential S&P 500 Inclusion, a stock resistant to recession. This piece discusses the author's belief that Palantir Technologies stock is resilient to economic downturns and will likely withstand a broader market crash. Finally, we'll wrap up the video by discussing quotes about how Palantir Technologies is expected to continue its growth trajectory, driven by high demand for its artificial intelligence offerings and impressive quarterly profits. We'll be discussing Palantir Technologies' latest developments, including price targets, news, upcoming events, and their financial performance. Before we get started, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and consider becoming a channel member to support us. Now, let's dive into today's video. Palantir Technologies is a company specializing in big data, analytics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, catering to both commercial and government sectors. Recently, they released their earnings report, leading to a significant 20% surge in PLTR stock. The stock had been relatively stable before this sudden jump. However, it's important to be cautious, as a pullback may follow such a positive spike. Some may choose to take profits now, while others, like myself, might opt to hold for the long term due to Palantir's promising potential. Currently, Palantir's stock trades at $17.93. Optimistic investors and analysts foresee a surge to $25 by 2024, given the positive earnings report. Notably, Palantir not only exceeded professional forecasts for revenue and earnings, but also became eligible for inclusion in the S&P 500 index, expected to further boost its stock price. Now, let's delve into their earnings report. While the estimate for adjusted earnings per share was 6 cents, Palantir outperformed by reporting 7 cents per share. Similarly, the projected sales and revenue were approximately $555.92 million. But the company surpassed expectations, bringing in $558 million. This exceeded the anticipation of both investors and analysts. Their revenue has experienced a notable 16.8% year-over-year increase. Looking ahead, it's projected to grow by 19% in the next quarter, and subsequently, it's anticipated to rise even further to 23% annually, which is a very positive sign. If you thought this earnings report was impressive, just wait to see what they could achieve in the future. Overall, this is an extremely positive outcome, leading to a significant surge in their share price. Examining their specific segments, they have one focused on commercial clients and another on government agencies. The commercial revenue saw an impressive 23% increase, bringing in around $251 million, including $116 million from United States commercial revenue. On the other hand, government revenue rose by 12% year-over-year, reaching $308 million. As predicted, commercial revenue is on track to surpass government revenue. The overall customer count for Palantir Technologies grew by 34%, largely driven by their artificial intelligence platform. This resulted in a 37% year-over-year increase in U.S. commercial customers, which is again a very positive sign. Looking ahead to the fourth quarter, Palantir expects sales to range between $599 million and $603 million. Analysts, however, anticipate it to be closer to $599.26 million or a flat $600 million. Additionally, Palantir's full-year guidance now anticipates a total revenue of either $2.216 billion or $2.22 billion overall. Thanks to their robust earnings report, these expectations are likely to be met. Not only did they exceed their third quarter metrics, but they also anticipate even stronger results for the fourth quarter. They have also adjusted their full-year metrics upwards. This, combined with their 4 quarters of GAAP profitability, makes them eligible for inclusion in the S&P 500, a move that is expected to further boost their share price. Next, let's discuss how Palantir is positioned as a recession-resistant stock. This is attributed to their strong fundamentals, substantial cash reserves, and potential for future growth, especially with their eligibility for S&P 500 inclusion. While concerns about their stock-based compensation exist, it's worth noting that it offers more benefits than drawbacks. With improved profitability, Palantir presents a compelling long-term investment opportunity. Additionally, trading at 35 times their forward free cash flow, the stock is attractively priced, indicating a potentially favorable buying opportunity. As I've mentioned in previous videos, if your average cost basis for this company is below $11, then you're in an excellent position for a long-term investment. There's little need to buy or sell more of this company. I also believe it's a great asset due to its resilience in economic downturns. We'll delve into why it's recession-resistant in the next article. Palantir's recession resilience stems from two factors. Firstly, there's an unprecedented demand for Palantir's technology. As the CEO stated in the earnings report, they achieved the highest profit in the company's 20-year history, making them eligible for inclusion in the S&P 500. This inclusion provides resistance and resilience, as investors tend to lean towards conservative investments in ETFs and funds linked to the S&P 500 during recessions. With Palantir part of it, they'll continue to generate revenue even in a downturn. Additionally, Palantir's stock has seen a remarkable 100% plus year-to-date surge, largely due to their powerful artificial intelligence offerings and AIP platform. The AIP platform received high praise from numerous clients. It's worth noting that Palantir performs well even amidst geopolitical turmoil, or conflicts, situations that typically lead to stock declines. Their software has aided Ukraine in defending against Russia's attacks, and they've been a staunch supporter of Ukraine. They've also expressed support for Israel, citing their long-standing relationships in the region. Finally, Palantir finished the quarter with $3.3 billion in cash and short-term U.S. Treasury securities. Given their profitability, they're in a strong position to weather a recession and potentially make strategic acquisitions. This positions Palantir Technologies as a valuable investment even when others may face challenges. With that said, I'd love to hear your thoughts on Palantir's recent earnings report, their potential inclusion in the S&P 500, and their stance on supporting Israel and Ukraine. And that's it. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for joining us in this video, and we hope to see you in the next one. Happy investing!